Hello friends, my name is Vikas.
So friends, in this video we will be discussing some of the important brand ambassadors of June, July and August month. This video will be important, so do take a note of all the points and do watch the video till the end. Hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with the session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So friends, let's start. First is Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar has become the brand ambassador of MyLab Discovery Solutions. I repeat, Akshay Kumar has become has been appointed as the brand ambassador of biotechnology firm MyLab Discovery Solutions. Then Virat Kohli, who is Indian cricketer, has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Audi. Audi is your German automobile manufacturer, that is your car manufacturer. We know about Audi cars. So Audi has appointed Indian cricketer Virat Kohli as their brand ambassador in India. Next is Yuvraj Singh, who is also Indian cricketer. As you can see him, he has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Puma Motorsports in India. This is your Puma Motorsports in India, or you can say Puma company has signed Yuvraj Singh as their brand ambassador of Puma Motorsport in India. Next is Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah has been appointed as the brand ambassador of OnePlus. Alright, I repeat, and that too of wearables. I repeat again, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of wearables of OnePlus company? He is Jasprit Bumrah. He is also Indian cricketer. Next we'll be talking about Nitin Gadkari sir, he has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Khadi Prakritik Paint. Important, mark this. Can be asked in your exam. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Khadi Prakritik Paint? He is Nitin Gadkari. He is the Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways and MSME, that is your micro, small and medium enterprise. He has announced himself as the brand ambassador of Khadi Prakritik Paint. These Khadi Prakritik paints are made from cow dung. Can be asked. Khadi Prakritik paints are made from which material? They are made from cow dung, and that is to promote the paint across the country and encourage the young entrepreneurs to manufacture it. Khadi Prakritik paint is India's first and only paint made from cow dung. Next we'll be talking about Darren Sammy. First of all, tell me Darren Sammy belongs to which country, or he belongs to the cricket team of which country? Comment below. He has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Fun 88. Alright, I repeat, he has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Fun 88. Mark this, can be asked. Next is Sanjay Rai Sherpuria has been appointed as the national brand ambassador of SDG Chopal, that is your Sustainable Development Goal Chopal. I repeat, Sanjay Rai Sherpuria has been appointed as the national brand ambassador for Sustainable Development Goal Chopur. Important, alright, for Sustainable Development Goal Chopal. Who has been appointed as the national brand ambassador? Sanjay Rai Sherpuria. Can be asked because it is related to your sustainable development goals. Next we'll be talking about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Homelane.com. I repeat, Homelane is the name of the company who has appointed Mahendra Singh Dhoni as their brand ambassador. Alright, mark this, can be asked, very important. I repeat again, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Homelane? He is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Next is Eurosport India has signed John Abraham as the brand ambassador of MotoGP. MotoGP is related to your bike racing. If I ask you what is F1? F1 is related to your car racing. Alright, so who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of MotoGP by Eurosport India? He is John Abraham. Next we'll be talking about Narayan Karthikeyan. He is the first Indian to take part in Formula Racing from India. He has been appointed as the brand ambassador of JK Tyre. Mark this, important. He has been appointed as the brand ambassador of JK Tyre. Whom? Narayan Karthikeyan. Next we'll be talking about Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt has been appointed as the brand ambassador of which company? She has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Samsung India, and especially for the foldable smartphones portfolio. I repeat, Alia Bhatt has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Samsung, and from Samsung too, she has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Samsung's foldable smartphone portfolio.
So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.